think about October, I think about all those pumpkins, ghosts, and creepy characters. So obviously, I have to dedicate this month's bullet journal to Halloween. Before jumping to the video, I'm gonna quickly introduce all the stationery that I'm used in this video. So here I have this really thin washi tape, and then I have these really special washi tape. You can use them as calendars, so it's gonna save you a lot of time. Of course, I have to prepare this brush pen just for lettering and coloring sometimes. And also, I have this silver glitter pen. I'm obsessed with glitter gel pen these days. So you probably noticed I'm using glitter pen in a lot of my videos. The ink was really special about this pen because after it completely dried out, you can see almost kind of 3D effects. So for the first page, here I want to add the famous mask from the movie Scream into calligraphy, because I think this mask is such a classic symbol of horror movies. I'm gonna do a small calendar underneath it, just for an overview of the months. Then I want to do a big doodle for another page. Use all these classic elements you can think about Halloween, like pumpkins, bats, spider webs. After I finished it, I use brush pen to fill in the colors. Of course, I go with classic yellow and other colors to give the pumpkins more details. Of course, we still need a big calendar that we can fill in the details. I'm gonna make the calendar looks like it's an old and ripped out paper. This really gives it the Halloween vibe. On the blank space, I decide to add the monthly goal. I also want to add some spider web just to tie the whole theme together. Next part is monthly mood tracker. Here I'm using a spider web as the outline. I want to keep the color palette as simple as possible, so instead of using colors, here I'm using different patterns to show my daily mood. Of course, it's optional. You can use colors if you like. And for playlist, I'm really inspired by all those ghost doodles. So instead of plain boxes, I decided to make the outline looks like the ghosts are screaming, which I thought was really cute. About the playlist, it's not much of a playlist, it's more like a movie list because I love to watch horror movies and fantasy films at this time of year. So here I'm writing down some movies that I recommend. Comment down below what's your favorite Halloween movies and I'll check them if I not see them before. Jumping to the next part, we need a more specific weekly spread. Here I'm going to draw some tombstones and it's going to be the section of each day. It's funny because I thought this was a great idea at first, but now I'm looking back at it, I think the setup feels kind of negative if it's not for the Halloween season. But let's look past that since if it's the Halloween spirits. So here it is, Halloween inspired bullet journal. I'm loving this month's bullet journal because holidays always excite me and I just can't wait for Halloween. I hope this video will give you some inspiration. And for those of you stick to the end, we will give you a special coupon code of Paperhouse. You can use this for all the products that we currently have on our website, but it is time limited, so check them now. All the info I'll link down below. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more content in the future, hit the subscribe button and we will have more videos with exclusive discount code on this channel.